Hey Google, home defense. Hey guys, Eric here with Bear Arms. I just wanted to do a quick product review of this gun safe that I've got standing right here beside me. I just recently purchased this and I just wanted to share it with you guys because I think it's definitely a good purchase for anyone that's looking for a gun safe that's a little bit different than your run-of-the-mill, normal, one kind of method of entry safe. This one is a smart safe. Orscheln Outdoors is what this is called. It's the Orscheln Outdoors 44 gun safe. They also have a 30 and a 56 gun safe. This bad boy right here will set you back about $1,300. It weighs 700 pounds. It is manageable to get in with you and one other capable adult if you have a decent dolly and you guys can put a little bit of elbow grease in. This will fit sideways through a normal size man door in a house. I believe it's right about 27 inches, I think, wide from the side. For those of you that don't know Orscheln, they are a small town farm kind of feed store, like a Tractor Supply. They support the Midwest. I believe they are based out of Missouri, and then they have 165 stores, I believe, spread across the Midwest. Like I said, it's just basically a Tractor Supply. They have all kinds of farming equipment and whatnot. They also carry Liberty safes, and they have Browning and a couple of other safes there, but this is their like inline, their home brew kind of safe. They've partnered with First Watch for the smart portion of this. Right now, First Watch is getting into doing like a smart biometric kind of system on these. So it has a phone app and then the keypad. The electronic keypad has a USB slot under it, so there's two factors of authentication right there. If you wanted, you could do your PIN code like normal, or you can use a USB stick to plug into it and it'll open the lock. There's also, if you pull the lock off, your regular keys. Comes with two keys for you in the bag, so you can still get in there. If you lose power, don't have the app, forget your code, any of that kind of stuff. The app itself uses biometric. I believe it does face scanning. I haven't set that up yet. Mine is fingerprint. You can also do your keypad from the phone. There's a bunch of other features. There's like vacation mode, where you can basically lock the safe down for a set period of time while you're gone and no one can open it. You can share codes to give out like one-time use codes, or if you have additional family members. Right now, my wife and I are the only two that can access this. She has her own app and PIN numbers for it. I can share my app with other people if I so choose. So if my buddy wants to come over and grab a rifle to go hunting, I can send him a code via text. He'll get that and be able to come log into my safe and then get his rifle and leave. There's a couple of other features in there. That's a pretty big list. They're working on enabling it with your smart home devices like Google and Alexa and all those, so eventually you'll be able to do voice activation, a couple of other things. It does send push notifications and keeps like a track of access logs, so you can go back and look and see if anyone's tampered with it. It will send tamper stuff. I'm going to work with a couple of other things to try and build it out a little bit more to my own spec. I'm going to put some lights in it, and probably a couple of other things to just notify me if anyone tries to tamper with it. That was mostly why I was interested in this. I was originally looking at Vaultec. However, Vaultec is very expensive for what it is. They have I think it's 10 rifle safe. It's probably about as tall as this, maybe about to the keypad wide. Doesn't fit very many guns in it. Not super secure. I don't even remember I don't think it's fire rated at all, actually, if that's something you care about. And they wanted $1,500 for it, so I was not a big fan of that. I just came across this and purchased it on the spot because I like the features and it has some of that smart technology that I was looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside real quick. Let me get into the app here real quick. So all I got to do is tell it to open. It scans my fingerprint. Door is now unlocked, and we can get in here. Door is very heavy and will open itself, so I gotta be gentle because I got a fireplace over here. We are open. Grab the light here so you guys can see inside. And what we have is a split safe that's 2 sides with a vertical divider. You have 6 shelves, and then it has the pre-installed barrel rests. It also comes with scoped rests. So those are pre-installed. You can undrill them and move them if you need to. It has the channels you can see for the feet on the shelves, so you can move the shelves pretty much anywhere you want. And that's basically it. It's just a wide open safe. If you wanted to customize it yourself, you could. It doesn't come with any crazy bells and whistles, just a big open area to put guns. On the door, you do have some pistol holsters here, a couple of pouches to put some items. This is rated for 45 minutes at 1400 degrees, so if you wanted to put some of your documents in here, you could, and protect them for up to 45 minutes in case of fire. You can hear it beeping at me because I have the door ajar. It will do that. You can set that timer in the app. As you can see down here, there are feet for plugs for lag bolts if you wanted to bolt it down. And then it does not have any electrical outlets. So if you wanted to, you could drill into it and put your own electrical in it. For me, that wasn't a big deal, so I don't plan on running electric to it. And I believe that's why this outperforms some of the other safes on the market when it comes to fire rating. There's no holes really besides the lag bolt holes. Pretty much the inside. Some of the other features, it has 7, I think these are like 3-inch bolts on it. They're pretty big and monstrous. 1 on top, 1 on bottom, 5 on the side, keep it secure. I don't know any safe crackers, so I haven't had anyone come over and try to break into it, but I feel like it would be fairly capable of keeping someone out. It does have your serial number and a security token over here on the side. And I think that's about it for the features. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to hit me up and I will try to answer those as best I can. I was thinking about doing a giveaway on one of these, so if you guys think that's a good idea and there would be enough interest, I was thinking 100 people, $20 a pop. Winner gets a safe. If you're within 2 hours of the Dayton area, I will personally deliver it and help you get it into your house. If you are not within that 2 hours, we will try and work out freight shipping, or if it's not too much farther, maybe we can work something out that I can come out when I have some free time. But if you guys have an Orscheln around you, I highly recommend checking these out or just get online. I will put a link to this safe in the description below. But like I said, if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free, and stay safe. Hope you guys have a good day. The other features, it has 7, I think these are like 3-inch bolts on it. They're pretty big and monstrous. 1 on top, 1 on bottom, 5 on the side, keep it secure. I don't know any safe crackers, so I haven't had anyone come over and try to break into it, but I feel like it would be fairly capable of keeping someone out. It does have your serial number and a security token over here on the side. And I think that's about it for the features. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to hit me up and I will try to answer those as best I can. I was thinking about doing a giveaway on one of these, so if you guys think that's a good idea and there would be enough interest, I was thinking 100 people, $20 a pop. Winner gets a safe. If you're within 2 hours of the Dayton area, I will personally deliver it and help you get it into your house. If you are not within that 2 hours, we will try and work out freight shipping, or if it's not too much farther, maybe we can work something out that I can come out when I have some free time. But if you guys have an Orscheln around you, I highly recommend checking these out or just get online. I'll put a link to this safe in the description below. But like I said, if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free, and stay safe. Hope you guys have a good day.